Hello and welcome to video 8 of the videos prepared for the 2017 P3 Data Summit. I'm Matt Lavery, and in this video I'm going to show you how we explore the relationship between college GPA and college outcomes. Now, the question remains, how does college GPA relate to overall success? And so this is where we can take our progress field, drop it back into the columns, and we can see sort of the mean GPA of students in each of these progress columns. Now, just looking sort of across the data set, students who graduate in 4 years or less tend to have about a 3.3 or about a 3.4. 5 years, about a 3.0. 6 years, about a 2.8. So it looks as though there might be a relationship here, and that also seems to hold with the PACE variables. Now, what I also find really interesting is that students who don't persist have a first-year GPA, or actually a first semester GPA since they didn't come back, of about a 1. And so that speaks to the notion that their performance in that first semester might be related to why they're not returning. Either whatever is going on that made them not return also impacted their academic performance, or it could be that poor academic performance motivated them to not return. So that's a question to explore. Whereas students who do not retain seem to be hanging out at about a 2.0 on the GPA. So the college GPA seems to be related to these outcomes. Also, let me make a quick note about the way that these grand total values are calculated. So in the body of the table, we have averages, but not every cell contains the same number of students. For example, these early graduates in the 2015 cohort, we know that happens to be 4 students. But if we take a look at the 2.43 in the 2013 cohort, that's a whole lot more students. So if we were to average these values as displayed together, you'll notice down here on the bottom of the toolbar, that's what we get. So when we highlight these cells, down here at the bottom, it will calculate just a straight average of the values that are displayed, which is 3.32. But notice that the grand total is a 3.37 because it's weighting the averages according to the number of students. So it's not actually averaging the averages, it's averaging the GPA of the students in this column, so it comes out properly weighted. In the next video, we'll take a look at how high school GPA compares to college GPA.